Alright, what is up everyone? So today we are gonna pick up another car. Yes, 2019 was like a weekend and we're picking up another car. This car is not mine, it's my uncle's car. And you'll be able to see it once we get there because I know what the car is, I kinda know what it looks like, I don't really know anything else. And I think his plan is to just do some work to it and get it ready for like a little bit of racing, driving around town, just a nice kind of fun Sunday driver car. So yeah, we'll see what condition it's in when we get there. And I don't think we're gonna trailer it. I think because it's drivable, I think we're both gonna drive there in one car, and then on the way back one of us will drive it. And yeah, so that's that. I'm so tired right now. This is the day after I just came back from snowboarding. My wrist is sprained. I have a little bit of a cold. My body's just aching, so it's definitely gonna be an adventure. But yeah, so we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna see where the road takes us because I have no idea where the car is. And yeah, so let's hit the what is it? Travel montage. These trucks are awesome. I remember when I had a truck like that. It was fast. So, I am in the, I think the camera's crooked. Anyways, I am in the car we just picked up, which you guys saw is it's a Civic. It's a Civic wagon. It's an 89, and right off the bat, it is loud. There's no muffler. Like, I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Hopefully you can. What else? It has really, really wide poke. Like, you guys saw that. That was insane. The clutch is super hard. it's not even hard, it's like unnecessarily stiff and it's not smooth. Like, and it clicks at the end. I don't know why. Maybe the pedal's hitting something, or yeah. No power steering. The wheels not straight, but I like the car. I like the look of the car. Not just the flares. I like the wagon look. It's cool. The trunk kind of seems useless, but it's a cool looking car. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Like the interior is pretty clean. Brakes are alright. What else? Yeah, shifting is it's a little weird. Because like first doesn't go that far, but second goes really far back, so sometimes when I put it in first, I think it's not in all the way, but it's a cool car. It's a cool car. I like it. I just hope that when we get into Vancouver, Richmond, that we don't get VI'd. So let's cross our fingers that doesn't happen. Because then this will go from a cool little build from my uncle to a pain in the ass trying to get it street legal. So yeah. It's a cool car, I like it. It's got a unique feature that I won't show you guys for safety reasons or security reasons of this car, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about the shifting. I'm just not excited to get on the highway with this thing. Because as soon as because like we're in like, this is 5th, going 40. So once we get on the highway, it's just gonna be like, man, it's gonna be loud. Couple things, this lock vibrates. That's nothing. Yeah, and I can't wait to see like what this car, because well, like I'll see it around. Like it's not like I'm just picking up the car and I'm not gonna see. Like I'm gonna see it around. But I can't wait to see like the processes of like the build of this car, because that'll be cool. That'll be something really cool to see. Like over the past couple years, 3 years I think it is, like I've seen my Mustang transition to where it is now, and as you guys saw, it's in pieces and it doesn't even look like a car, but it was a car at some point. But yeah, I'm excited to see like what they built with this, and then maybe later on, like when this car is finished or my car is finished, we'll have to put up the old American Mustang against the Japanese Honda and see how they perform up against each other. I think that'd be cool. You know? The nice thing is that the heat works, which is good, because it's not like this is gonna be a track car. So okay, so I talked to him and he said it's just gonna be a nice Sunday, not Sunday, but a nice daily driver, cool car to drive. It's not really gonna be a track car. And he's sharing this car. So this is going to be a build with him and a couple of his friends. And they're just going to build a really, really cool, really clean Honda Civic wagon. And I'll have to show you guys later, because the reason why this car is so cool, from what I'm told of, is because it has a gem under the engine. So, not under the engine, under the hood. Yeah, so I'll show you guys that. I'll see what you guys think, because honestly, I don't know a lot about Hondas. I usually make fun of Hondas. Not make fun of, I'm just not a Honda fan. Yeah, the front definitely needs to be aligned, because the wheel is not straight, which makes it sketchy, especially on the highway because this thing's so low. Why'd it have to be rainy? Why couldn't it be a nice sunny day? I don't like front-wheel drive cars when it rains. Well, like, okay, I like them better than... Actually, no, I don't know. One second. I don't like understeer in the rain. It rubs in the back. Okay, let me get one point down first. I don't like cars, front-wheel drive cars when they understeer. Because, like, for me, I feel like it's less controllable than a rear-wheel drive car that loses traction in the back. I guess that's just because I drift more, but I don't know. And yeah, so it rubs in the back, but it only rubs on like sharp turns and I guess decent bumps. Oh my god, this car wanders. Yeah, so, but it's a cool car. I like it. It's clean. Oh my god. I think like the front end just needs to be figured out because it wanders pretty bad. If this was a track car, I'd say leave it this loud because race car noises. But if they're gonna daily it, I think, or just drive it on the street, I think they need an exhaust. And I think that's one of the first things they're gonna do. Maybe not the first, but that's something they're gonna definitely do. Should I just stop doing Mustang stuff, like and drifting stuff with the Mustang? Should I just like get rid of it, get a Honda? I'm a Honda guy. Comment below if you guys think I should get a Honda. Like I don't think I'm gonna do it, but just I want to see how many people think I should get a Honda. It's definitely got some weird clunks and bangs in the front end. Maybe a ball joint or an axle or something like that. Okay, let's take a look at this gem under the hood. Ooh, would you look at that? Now, I don't actually know what Honda motor this is. I just know it's a newer, better Honda motor than the ones that came in these things. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Got that short ram intake. Yeah, so that's one of the cool things about the car. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll end it here. And that's the new project car that my uncle will be working on. And we'll see what his car versus my car looks like in the future. So see you guys in the next video.